To use PPTXHandler, you need to first install Gramix. You can do that by visiting and following the instructions at the Gramix guide install Gramix page. This begins by asking you to install Anaconda, which is a distribution of Python, and followed by Node.js, which is required if we are using any JavaScript code. For PPTXHandler, this is optional. On a Mac, you may also need to install Xcode. The main command to run is pip install Gramix, which installs the latest version of Gramix. You need at least 1.61.1 to go through the examples in this tutorial. You can follow that optionally with installing yarn and running Gramix setup -- all. But for PPTXHandler, these steps are optional. The main step is to install Anaconda and run pip install Gramix. These instructions are on learn.gramener.com/guide/install.